It's Daddy's birthday today. What are we gonna do? What are you gonna do? We're gonna watch him go eat a big burger and get sick? Ooh. Say happy birthday, Daddy.
There we go.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Daddy.
In a couple of days, you guys are going to be